Hi guys!
Welcome back
to the Tofu Chef. So a few friends messaged us and asked if we can share some easy to make quick recipes for tofu desserts.
We promise it will be really easy and quick to make. We are the
TofuChef!
Feeling chocolatey during this chilly season.
Sounds yummy.
So, we gotta make a quick, easy to make, tofu-based, vegan chocolate mousse.
For the base layer of this mousse, we use mixed nuts, coconut oil, and maple syrup. Simply put all the ingredients in a mixer. Pulse for a few times until everything is binded together. Put a thin layer at the bottom of the serving cup. We used a martini glass here. Set in the fridge for 20 minutes to solidify. Here comes a very important technique for melting chocolate, the double boiler method. To use the double boiler, simply fill the bottom pot with some water. Make sure that the bowl you put chocolate in is bigger than your pot. Also make sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't come into contact with the simmering water. There should be a gap between the water and the bottom of the bowl. Don't underfill the pot either. If all the water boils away, you'll just be heating a dry pan, which could damage it. It's better not to walk away during this process. Constantly stir and be patient. Turn off the heat when the texture becomes nearly smooth, as the remaining heat can still do the work. Now that you're done with melting chocolate, mix it with soft tofu. Set in the fridge for at least half an hour. Depending on the desired texture and type of tofu used, it can be chilled for longer or served immediately. Check out our Tofu Shopping Guide 101 episode on how each type of tofu is different and how to shop for it.
So if you want to take a close look at the texture, ooh, it looks very, very creamy.
We promise you tofu and chocolate always goes
Yeah,
very
they're the
well
best friends.
Toppings. Since figs and tangerines are in season here in Beijing, we're just gonna use these two. And then, of course, you can always soak tangerine in sugar water, but since it's a quick recipe and then we're not as much of a sweet tooth, so we just like to eat it as this.
That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this quick, easy recipe. If you like our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.